Hey, my Gators, welcome back to the CPR vibe, but it's also from the How to DIY and Save a Dime page where I am renovating my home. But this is an actual message, and I wanted to share this picture along with the message and the link for the channel to follow the journey on me, the single mom versus the fixer-upper, fixing up a house that I purchased, and I'm creating a home out of it. I literally purchased this home feeling heavy, overwhelmed, fearful, and definitely intimidated, but I still purchased it. I had a vision that God gave me, and when I shared that vision, a lot of people thought I was crazy. They thought it was too much. They thought it was far-fetched. They thought it would be just ridiculousness. And my realtor even looked at me like I was crazy, and I can't wait to show her the progress. But a lot of times we have to do things we don't want to do. We have to step out our comfort zone. We have to become uncomfortable. We're going to have trials. We're going to have tribulations, and things are going to happen. But the key is going through whatever this process is. And this is the before of just one part of the room of the house, and this is the vision processing on the right hand side. Do not let what other people think and other people feel and other people experience determine what you do. Your blessings are going to be on the other side of your fear. Don't let fear stop you. I moved to a place where I knew no one. I don't have anyone. As a single mother starting over from an 18-year marriage, but it's happening, and you can do it too. Do not let the fear that others have and their experiences with giving up on themselves and their dreams and their visions hold you back. Realize I had many sleepless nights. I had many nights where I questioned myself. I had many nights when I said, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Wanting to sell, wanting to just go and find the easier route. But your blessings are usually tied up in things that are going to be a struggle and a sacrifice. But God, but